check. If I told you that they once locked me in a psycho ward, would you still let me hit that raw? If I told you that they once locked me in a psycho ward, would you pause? Would you still want more? If I told you that they once locked me in a psycho ward, would you stay? Long before I met you, I did a terrible thing, so they put me on trial. Yeah, you might hear a few things. I've been free for a while, but they still got me on file. They say I have to take meds or I might do something wild. Will you come back to my bed, or does this change how you feel? Was this all just a dream, or is there still something real? Is it unfair that I didn't tell you first, that I let you fall in, turned our love to a curse? Will you just leave my side, or are you really gonna ride? Was our last kiss the last, or do you still wanna try? Won't tell you about the merits of all the things that I cherish, I'll just leave you to decide. All my bros say I should have it both ways. Keep the past in the past, but I tell them no way. Couldn't love you the deepest if I was still keeping secrets, so I'm taking this chance, let me expose all my weakness. Can't be unsaid once I've said it. I'm paranoid, schizophrenic, I'm dangerous when I'm ill. Make of this what you will. I've taken walks through the darkness, and all I am is an artist. Every night I take a pill. Do you still wanna chill? They locked me up for years. Me and my mom shed tears. On microphones I drop jewels. You think I work for the beers? Said you're my biggest fan, but do you still wanna cheer? Now that you know what I've done, will you still let me near? If I told you that they once locked me in a psycho ward, would you still let me hit that raw? If I told you that they once locked me in a psycho ward, would you pause? Would you still want more? If I told you that they once locked me in a psycho ward, would you stay? Ever since I met you, babe, I've been feeling so good. I let you hop in the whip and then you hop on the wood. Back when I was locked up, thought I might never be free. Didn't know that God had sent an angel from heaven to me. I wonder how you'd react. Maybe you'll turn your back. Maybe we're not meant to be, and it's best we leave it at that. They'll lock me up for years again if I ever relapse. Man cannot top this, yeah, I got this instrumental from Mac. Maybe you'll see me for me, a son, a brother, perfect creation of God, with a flow like no other. Yes, to the world I am odd, but to the district I'm Guti, and I get nothing but love from all the people that knew me before my life got twisted upside down. I'd rest my head in the north, I'm from H-Town. I'm even better than before it all went south. I know the strength at my core, my name means power, and in the bed you're a fiend. Use me like a machine, now that you know where I've been. I wanna know what you scheme. When we're done you fall asleep, you say you see me in dreams. Tell me, has that picture changed? Baby, what's it gonna be? If we part now, no hard feelings, I understand it's a lot. If you still give yourself to me, I'll give you all that I got. Special shout out to OC, he's doing 26 years. It makes me sad you're still in there, homie, I wish you were here. If I told you that they once locked me in a psycho ward, would you still let me hit that raw? If I told you that they once locked me in a psycho ward, would you pause? Would you still want more? If I told you that they once locked me in a psycho ward, would you stay?